Good morning, all of you. Today we can discuss how we can measure weight. For measuring weight, we use different units. Okay. Do you know which units we use for measuring weight? When you buy some items from the shop, you know which. If you buy that sugar or rice, that we will measure in kilogram. Okay, so the standard unit of measuring weight is kilogram. Okay, today we are discussing about measuring weight. Okay, for standard, in this case of weight, standard unit of weight is that is kilogram. For kilogram we use the letter kg. Okay, that all of you know. Okay, now for measuring smaller unit, we use another unit for measuring smaller items, smaller weight. Okay, if you need only some quantity, that we will use which unit? That is gram. Okay, gram. So for measuring smaller weight, we use the unit grams and we use the letter G for gram. And you know how much gram make 1 kilogram? Can you guess how much gram make 1 kilogram? Yeah, 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. Okay, 1000 gram equal 1 kilogram. Okay, so the standard unit of measuring weight is kilogram, and for measuring smaller weight we use grams, and when 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. Okay, so when we convert gram, in 1 kilogram how much grams are there? 1000 grams. So 2 kilogram. In 2 kilogram how much gram will be there? 2 into 1000 gram. When we convert kilogram into gram, you want to multiply with 1000. In the case of measuring, when we use the unit meter and centimeter, we know 100 centimeter make 1 meter. So when we convert meters into centimeter, we multiply with 100. So in this case, we know 1000 gram make 1 kilogram. So to convert kilogram into gram, we are multiplying with 1000. The given quantity multiply with 1000. So what will be 4 kilogram? 4 kilogram equal dash gram. How much gram? 4 kilogram equal dash gram. How we can fill? 4 into 1000. So it will be 4000 gram. Okay, 4 kilogram will be 4000 gram. Just like if another measure is given, 2 kilogram 500 gram. 2 kilogram and 500 gram, when we convert into totally into gram, how much gram will be there? So here we convert 2 kilogram into gram, but multiplying with 1000. 2 multiplying with 1000, we will get 2000 gram plus 500 gram also there, 500 gram. Okay, so 2 into 1000 we know 2000 gram plus 500 gram. Totally how much gram? 2500 gram. Okay, so in this way we can convert kilogram into gram. Okay, and we can, just like addition of length, we can add weight also. Okay, suppose if you want to add, if you buy, your mother send you to a shop for buying rice and sugar. Okay, suppose you went to a shop for buying sugar and rice. If the rice is, the weight of rice, if it is 10 kilogram 500 gram, you bought 10 kilogram and 500 gram rice, and you bought sugar, how much gram you know? 5 kilogram 250 gram. 10 kilogram 500 gram and sugar is 5 kilogram 250 gram. Then what is the total weight you had now? What is the total weight you had now? For that we want to add this both. Okay, so in the case of meter and centimeter, what we done? We make two columns, first for kilogram and another for gram. Okay, so in the first case, rice, how much kilogram is there? 10 kilogram. So we write 10 in the column of kilogram, and how much gram here? 500 gram. And in the case, second case, sugar have 5 kilogram and 250 gram. Then we are adding these two. Okay, so 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. And 0 plus 5, 5 and 1, 15 kilogram and 750 gram. Okay, so in this way we can add any two weights, two or more weights we can add together. Okay, now another question you look, if there is another two items with one item with 12 kilogram 750 gram and another with, otherwise add 12 kilogram 750 gram with 50 kilogram and 300 gram. Okay, then we add these two weight. Here also we are arrange these two weight in kilogram and gram. Okay, in the first weight, how much kilogram is there? 12 kilogram. And how much gram? 750 gram. In the second weight, 50 kilogram and how much gram? 300 gram. And we are adding these two. First we starting from the ones place. From the gram, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3, 10. For that, we take 0 and that 1. Okay, the balance is there. That 1 we want to add with this kilogram. You know what is here? When we add grams only, we will get how much kilogram? 700. How much gram? 750 plus 300. We will get, when we add this, we will get 1050 gram. Okay, in 1050 gram, when we there will be 1 kilogram, because 1000 gram make 1 kilogram. So from this 1050 gram, we can take 1 kilogram to this kilograms. With this 12 and 50 we can add. So that one we are adding with this kilogram. So what is remaining there after taking that 1050? When we take that 1000, here remain only 50. So here only remain 50 gram. And that 1000, when we convert into kilogram, we will get 1 kilogram. That one we are adding with this kilograms. Okay. Then 2 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 1, 6. So total 63 kilogram and 50 gram. Okay. This way we can add any two or more weights. So we want to know the standard unit of measuring weight is kilogram, and for measuring smaller unit we use grams, and 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. Okay, that all of you want to by heart. How much grams make 1 kilogram? 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. So to convert kilogram into gram, we are multiplying the given weight with 1000. Okay, then we can add the kilogram and grams just like this by arranging in columns of kilogram and gram. Okay, just like measuring weight or adding length, we can add weight also. Okay, thank you.